Now let's talk about how to install Maven and setting up Maven environment variables. Go to the Google page, type Maven, and you can see maven.apache.org. Click on that and go to the download section. So in this site, you can get many information, many other information. If you want to know about more on Maven, you can click on what is Maven, and there are a couple of other things. From this document, you can get all the information that is required for you to understand the Maven in more details. But right now, we are going to download the Maven. So click on the download section and come to the down, and you can see binary zip file. Okay, so I see a couple of people download source zip file, which will not work. Okay, please remember you have to download binary zip archive, and click on this link, Apache Maven 3.3.9 bin zip. Click on this link, and it will be asking you to save the file. Okay, or sometimes it will be directly saved under your downloads section, whatever it is. So to save the file, just click on OK. Just click on OK. In my case, I already downloaded the zip file, same zip file, Apache Maven 3.3.9 -bin.zip, and I kept that particular zip file in the G folder, and I extracted this zip file. How to extract? Just right click and extract here. Okay, so this is by using the WinRAR. If you want to extract by 7-zip, you can also do the extract here. And if you don't have WinRAR software or as well as 7-zip, if you are using the Windows, you can also do it by extract all. Okay, so what all you need to do is extract this zip file. When you extract the zip file, a folder will be created something like this. Okay, and inside the folder you can see all this stuff. That is how you install the Maven. The other thing is that you also require to set up the environment variables for Maven. Select this PC, right click and click on properties. In some systems it will be my computer. Okay, so right click on your computer, my computer, and you can see something like advanced system settings. Click on this, and again click on environment variables. You can see two things, user variables and system variables. I always recommend you to create the environment variables, whether it is Maven or whatever, under the system variable. So now I'm clicking on a new button under the system variable. Click on new. Now you have to set up the Maven environment variable, that is MAVEN Maven underscore home. That's it. And also you have to give the path of the value. It is nothing but, so where you have installed or extracted your Maven, that is G colon Apache Maven 3.3.9. Make sure that under this folder, bin is available. You should not give the bin up to the bin, but you have to make sure that under this folder you can able to see the bin folder. Okay, so should not give bin. There are a couple of people I see, they also give the bin. Should not give the bin. Okay, and you have to make sure, another thing, you have to make sure that under this folder you can able to see the bin folder, and click on OK. Now Maven underscore home, that is Maven home directory is created. Now go to the path variable. In the path variable, it is already created. Now I am wanted to edit it. For that, click on edit, click on new. If it is Windows 10, this kind of window will be opened. Click on the new button, and you can it will be creating another line for you, where you have to type percentage Maven, everything in caps, because we created the Maven underscore home in the capital letter. maven underscore home percentage slash bin. Okay, make sure the bin is in the small letters. So in the runtime maven underscore home, this path will be replaced, and then slash bin in the runtime. In the runtime g colon apache maven slash bin will be available to the system. Click on ok, click on ok, and then click on ok. Now take the another command. Please do not take the previous window. Every time you set the environment variable, every time you modify the environment variable, you have to open a new command prompt and type what you wanted to type. If it is listing something, that means that your Maven is set up correctly. So that's all about installing the Maven and setting up Maven environment variables.